All right, guys, gonna do a little mail call here. So we got some goodies, pretty heavy stuff, other stuff. Sounds like paint, but we will see what we got here. I'll go over to this side. This one's not marked as a return, but it very much could be. Looks like it is. Yeah, so it looks like a return. No paperwork with it though, so if you guys are watching this and you ever do send a return, please make sure to include paperwork, including the email where we have set up the return. That would be greatly appreciated. This one here is, I do know what's going on with this one, so even though there isn't paper in there, but this one here, it's custom build, customer's car, and he's asked me to go over it. So we will do track testing, all of that on this. Could actually even be a video. So put that one back in there, seal it up so that it doesn't get lost. But you know, if you guys do have cars that you either can't figure out something on, or you've built them and you feel like they could be faster, or just want another opinion on it, feel free to send it to us. We'll go over it and go from there. So this is a paint supply. So we go through a ton of white. We got a ton of black and white in here. We have 12 standard colors. So that's, you know, usually we bring it in. It's RC paint, for especially Tamiya paint for polycarbonate bodies. Works really good, but we'll get that stuff sent over to Tawny. She'll be able to take care of that. That's pretty cool. Need a signature?
Yes, I do.
All right. More goodies. Thank you. See ya. Yep, you too. All right, so this one looks like it's from AFX, which is gonna be some new goodies, which I'm actually excited about. The new AFX, actually those are the same ones. Let's get, there we go. They look the same, but blue helmet, yellow helmet, different drivers. This is from the Australian Grand Prix, so it's Lando. The McLaren F1, one's Lando, one's Oscar Piastri. So pretty cool. We'll get those on the site. We probably will test one of these, because I'll probably end up making some custom ones out of maybe two of them. Maybe we'll do a pair, and we'll do some custom stuff on them, test them out, see how they go. But that's pretty sweet. We like to reuse packaging. And then let's see if anything decent came from UPS. Doesn't look like it. I'm gonna leave those ones for later. So this will do for now. It'll give us something to do for the next little while.
What are we doing in the hobby shop?
Hobby shop? Yeah, let's go check it out. Yeah, we'll do a quick little kind of a tour in there. So as you can see back here, crawler courses are gone, track's gone. We're gonna be getting rid of the driver's stand and this pony wall, because we probably are gonna be bringing in some equipment toward the end of the year. We actually also, I need to clear up some space, because I need to do some fabrication on some custom tables that we're gonna be using up in the new Viper room, which is 3 times bigger than the old Viper room. So we're gonna be moving that stuff into here. We kind of have, you know, we're gonna be dedicating this whole area right here to just fulfillment. So we'll have plenty more room to add more products and create a really nice flowing ecosystem for our orders and all of that kind of stuff. And then in this area, near the window. We're gonna have some desks, and we'll have workstations over here for doing low inventory, restocks, car builds, all of that. And then this other half will be what we call our bulk inventory. So all of our bulk product. Should be awesome. I mean, they'll be able to see outside. We have blinds on these right now. They're roll-up blinds. The top are electric. The bottom just have a cord on them, but it's nice to be able to see outside and not be cooped up in that small room. So I mean, technically right now, all the fulfillment is done in a room this size, and we're going to be increasing that by quite a bit. So 260 square feet to 1,000 square feet. So huge improvement. A lot of people are bummed the hobby shop's gone. I mean, I'm not really bummed. I'm actually happy to have it gone, and to be able to focus on growing Viper some more. And when we get the equipment back there, it'll be even more fun, even more content too, because a lot of like the how it's made type stuff, you guys are gonna really get to see super deep behind the scenes on a lot of that stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.